Morning student, how are you? I am SK sir. Today I am going to discuss electronic configuration in another form. Now you see here how to obtain electronic configuration with respect to cell wise. We have to derive electrons cell wise in various subcell. Now you see cell, we know that cell K in which two electrons are available, that is derived with using 2n square, 2 into 1 square, where n is 1. Then we know that K is 1 cell, then 2 into 1 square is equal to 2 into 1, that means 2 electrons. Like this, L cell in which 8 electrons are included, that is derived with the help of 2n square. Now we get 8 electrons in L cell. Like this, M in which 18 electrons are contained, that is also derived using that formula. We get 18 electrons in M cell, and now in N cell we derive 32 electrons by using 2n square, 2 into 4 square, that means 32 electrons in N cell. Now we have to derive from given elements in which electronic configuration are written and also shown cell wise. Now you see, and in another form also described here. Now I tell you one by one. In hydrogen, we know that J of hydrogen is 1, then 1s1, we know that we write the first form of electronic configuration. Now we will get, if 1, that means K cell is 1 and electron is 1. Now second form of electronic configuration, we write it 1. Now in helium, we know that Z of helium is 2, then 1 is 2, in which 1 is K and the number of electron is 2, then we will write it 2. Like this, in lithium, we know that Z of lithium is 3, so 1s2, first we fill 1s2, after fill it 2s1, then we get 1, that means K cell in which 2 electron contain, and 2s1, that means L cell in which 1 electron is included. Now we write it 2, 1. Like this, beryllium, we know that Z of beryllium is 4, so 1s2, that means K in which 2 electron included, and 2s2, that means L cell in which 2 electrons included. We write in another form 2, 2. We know that Z of boron is 5, so we write its electronic configuration 1s2, in which K cell 2 electrons and L cell 2s2 and 2p1, in which 3 electrons are included, so we write in another form 2 and 3. In this way we write also carbon, in which Z of carbon is 6, so we write 1s2, in which K cell 2 electrons present and 2s2 2p2, in which L cell 4 electron included. So we write it 2 and 4. In this way, we write another like element nitrogen. Z of nitrogen is 7. So we write it 1s2, in which K cell only 2 electron is present, and 2s2 2p3, that means L cell in which 5 electron are included. So we write it 2 and 5 electrons. This is the another form of electronic configuration. In this way, oxygen we write it 1s2 2s2 2p4. We know that the Z of oxygen is 8, so in K cell 2 electron and in L cell 6 electron are included. In this way, we write it another form 2 and 6. Next, fluorine. Fluorine, Z of fluorine 9. So we write it 1s2. In K cell, we know that 2 electrons. In L cell, we know that 7 electrons. So we write it 2 and 7. Next, neon. We know that Z of neon is 10. So we write 1s2, in which in K cell 2 electron present, and 2s2 2p6, that means L cell in which 8 electrons are included. So we write in another form 2 and 8 electrons. And sodium, we know that Z of sodium is 11. So we write 1s2, in which K cell 2 electrons are included, and L cell 2s2 2p6, in which 8 electrons are contained, and 3s1, that means M cell in which 1 electron is available. So we write it 2 8 1. It is the another form of electronic configuration. Now we see the magnesium. Z of magnesium is 12. So we write 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, in which 1s2, in which K is equal to 2, L in which 8 electrons, and M, that is 2 electron is included. So we write it 2 8 2. Now in aluminium, Z of aluminium is 13. So we write it 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p1, in which K cell 2 electron is available, in L cell 8 electron is available, and in M cell 3 electron is present. So we write in another form 2 8 3. Now next, silicon, in which 14, that is the Z of the silicon is 14. So we write 1s2, in which K cell only 2 electron is present, and 2s2 2p6, that means L cell in which 8 electron is present, and 3s2 3p2, in which M cell 4 electron available. So we write 2 8 4. Like this, phosphorus, Z of phosphorus is 15. So we write 1s2, in which in K cell 2 electron is available, 2s2 2p6, that means L cell 8 electron is available, and 3s2 3p3, that means M cell in which 5 electrons are available. So we write 2 8 5. Now we can easily write all the electronic configuration first and second form. If this video like, then give comments, and thanks for watching this video.